The most notable characteristic and also the most significant advantage of the Communist Party of China is that it has a global perspective and is very pragmatic. That is according to Professor Khalid Haj Ahmed, Director of Oriental Languages at the Higher Institute of Languages at the University of Carthage in Tunis. The professor studied in China between 2007 and 2014, during which he gained a deep understanding of China in various aspects.
中国从执行改革开放政策以来，国家越来越强大，这就是战胜了一个又一个的挑战，实现一老百姓的需求是从吃饱饭到吃好饭转变的。我觉得没有人不能看中国现在的这个经济飞速发展，科技崛起，人民的生活方式发生了巨大的变化。中国人的生活中无处不体现这个科技带来的改变。中国有一个好的领导，这就是中国共产党的领导。我个人认为，中国共产党领导的特点或者中国共产党领导的优点是什么？就是有这个全球视野思想，我觉得还有实用主义思想。
Facing a more complex world with different challenges, the professor says China should and will follow the development path set by the Chinese leadership to defend its own interests.